This truck is completely dead. Key fob won't work, can't get in. What are we gonna do? We use our key to go ahead and get into the truck, and we are gonna jump it off with our Yesper jump starter. 2,000 amp capability on this Yesper jump starter, and it makes it super easy to jump off your car, your truck, whatever you've got. And we're gonna show you that here today. And so all we're gonna do here today is grab our Yesper charger. And we plug it right in to your jumper cable side right here. Super simple. And that is plugged in now, and I believe it turned on automatically. Super impressive.
Let's try to give it a crank.
Let's try to give it a crank up first. Show you that this thing is deader than dead, and Yesper's gonna bring it back with the Car Guys YouTube channel. And be sure to subscribe to the channel, because you might win this charger for free. We've got a huge giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. Got my key here. And the light doesn't come on, there ain't a sound, there ain't nothing happening with this truck. You can see it, you can hear it, ain't nothing going on. Attached just like we said, red to red and black to black. There we go. Black to black. Red to red. It does not appear to be auto magical, so we're going to refer back to our owner's manual and figure this thing out. So we've checked out our handy owner's manual from Yesper, and the light is blinking here. I don't know if you can show them that, Walker. Our charge light is blinking, and our correct light, that means we have it hooked up correctly, but the battery is low. So what we're gonna do is press the boost button, baby. Give it some boost, and you hear the clicks until the light turns all green, as it just did there. And within 30 seconds, we're gonna start the vehicle. Tell me when.
All right, I've hit the boost. There we go.
Look at that, baby. Couple of easy presses of a button. You saw us figure it out on camera. That's how easy it is to use your Yesper charger. You can buy it online. You can win it in our 10,000 subscriber giveaway, whatever you want to do. But I think we've determined that this Yesper charger jump starter, and it's actually an 8-in-1. It's got a strobe light. It's got a light on the actual unit yourself. So if you're stuck out at night, you can still be able to jump your car, pump up your tires, whatever you need to do. If you've liked this video, what you need to do is go ahead and subscribe. We've got that 10,000 subscriber giveaway. It's gonna be huge. We're giving you away hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars worth of free stuff. So be sure you hit that button and subscribe to the channel. This has been Jake Fry, the Car Guy, with Walker Paul Tedders. Subscribe and you might just win. Thanks.